Guys, I'm Mo Bluntz, Mo with no E, Bluntz with a Z. It's Vanderpump Rules Secrets Revealed, everybody. I have a viewer? What's up, viewer? Alright, Vanderpump Rules Secrets Revealed happens in T-minus 29 minutes, so we gotta get these two Pumptinis pushing out of here. Alright, so this is gonna be a companion guide to this book that I've been outlining recently, and I just want to see how this format's gonna work. I want to broadcast it live on Twitch, cut it down to a video, post it on my YouTube page. And thank you, Michelle. We have these two perfectly frozen martini glasses. It's Vanderpump Rules Secrets Revealed, and it's been a really fucked up season, you guys. I got back into it after a couple of really horrible seasons that I was just like, oh man, these people are awful. And now it's just like, man, they're just so awful, I can't look away. So it's been a really fun thing. We got to go to Pump several years back and try a Pumptini IRL. And I figured since this is the last episode that we have to enjoy for a little while, that we're going to have to make some Pumptinis, and I want to make a couple cocktails for you. So, in my method, this is a tiki cocktail. It's going to be equal parts absolutely everything. And you got a little muddling involved too. We're going to muddle some raspberries. So we're going to start with 3 raspberries per person. We're making 2 drinks right now. So I got 6 raspberries total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're making a 3-ounce cocktail. And we're going to start with our simple syrup that we're going to muddle the raspberries with. And we're making 2 drinks and a 3-ounce cocktail. 1 drink would be 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup because everything is equal parts. We're using 4 ingredients. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces simple syrup. I get out my jigger and I measure it to 1.5 ounces. Goes in my shaker. The simple syrup is half and half. It's 1 cup water, 1 cup granulated white sugar. We have our shaker and we have our jigger. I'm going to put my jigger to the side. Inside of our shaker is our 6 raspberries and our 1.5 ounces of regular granulated white simple syrup. So I'm going to take my muddler. I like a muddler with teeth. Some people like a muddler that's just a little butt. I like the teeth. And I'm going to press really hard into these raspberries and then make a twisty motion. I like to go clockwise. I'm going to make sure that every raspberry is broken down into the simple syrup. And it mixes together very nicely, as you can see. Do a twisty motion with my raspberries and my simple syrup to get everything broken down. You can also skip this step by making yourself a raspberry simple syrup. Alright, now we're going to add our booze. Everything is going to be equal parts. So I'm making 2 drinks. 1 drink would be 3/4 of an ounce of triple sec. 2 drinks is 1.5 ounce triple sec. This is Tattersall Orange Crema from Minneapolis. Good stuff. Great triple sec. Next we're gonna add vodka because of course that's all they drink is the stuff that doesn't taste like anything. There's still children. James Kennedy, you're still 25. Jax Taylor, you're still 40. And Tom Sandoval, you're 42. One drink is going to be 3/4 of an ounce. 2 drinks is going to be 1.5 ounces of vodka. Alright, now we get into our juices. I'm going to peel off 2 peels of this grapefruit juice, and we're going to use that for garnish. They don't actually do that at Pump, but we're going to do that right here. And then we cut this here grapefruit in half. Bam. Equal parts. This is a tiki cocktail, so it's equal parts everything. It's 3/4 ounce for 1 drink. It's 1.5 ounce for 2 drinks. We're making 2 drinks. This is 1.5 ounces. That ends up being about a half a large grapefruit. Provided you're getting the grapefruits in Minnesota at market. Last we have lime juice. Again, equal parts. If you're doing 1 drink, it's going to be 3/4 of an ounce. If you're going to do 2 drinks, it's going to be 1.5 ounces. The greatest thing about lime juice is you'll always know when you got cuts on your fingers that you didn't know about before. After this piece of lime juice. Lime juice, alright. Since we're dealing with juice and pulp, we're gonna shake the cocktail instead of stir the cocktail. That's a rule of thumb. You can see through the cocktail, you stir it. If you can't see through the cocktail, or it uses pulp or coffee, you shake it. We're gonna throw our ice cube in there. Just 2 to make it extra cold because that's how Michelle likes it. I've got it cooled down in the shaker. I'm gonna do my garnish real quick. And I'm gonna shake it one more. Okay, I got 2 garnishes here of a peel. I'm gonna go first this way. And then I'm going to go down this way, flip it, and then down this way. And then I'm gonna go this way on this side. So we have ourselves now a trapezoid. Trapezoid? And now we're gonna slice a slice just in the center, just a tiny slice in the center. Now I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna make a little slit on the inside here. And then I'm gonna fold it like so, and then I'm gonna place it on the glassware. So I got my nice chilled martini glass, and I'm just going to flip this up and place it where the slit was. Beautiful. All right, we got 1 garnish ready. Shake it just a couple more times, get it cooled down. Two more raspberries, we'll throw them at the bottom. And we have our pumptinis.
They need to take an order, Jax. They need to take an order. We need to get more cosmopolitan. Pumptini!
All right, everybody, thank you for joining me. This was a new episode of Mo Drinks. I did this during COVID, and now we're back 3 years later. The majority of this episode was filmed live. If you want to be included, you can follow my Twitch channel at Mo Bluntz 13. That's Mo with no E, Bluntz with the Z 13. Follow my Twitch channel for more live stuff. I stream video games. I do beer reviews on my video game streams. And, you know, this is a new thing, so come join me. Cheers, and we'll see you on the other side of the bar. Thank you.